finally, man, finally, Jordan Brand gave us a proper retro of a shoe that we ain't seen in about 16 years. And I'm happy. I'm happy we got this colorway. I'm happy we got this shoe back because, you know, my pair I had from 06, it's a little beat. It's a little, you know, it's a little run down. So it was about time for a retro. I was this close to getting my pair restored. I still might get mine restored, but I was this close to getting it restored. But we got a proper retro of it. But enough about, you know, restorations and all that, man. Without further ado, you know what I'm saying, without getting too much into it, you already know what it is, man. The Air Jordan Citrus 7s. YouTube, what it do, man? You already know who it is. It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Like I said, one of my favorite colorways in this silhouette, man. One of my favorites, man. But once again, nothing too crazy with the box, nothing out of the ordinary. You got your typical Jordan logo on the top of the box, typical size tag, you know, across the side of the box as well. Nothing out of the ordinary. Got your Nike Air on this part of the box, the back part of it, bottom of it, nothing too crazy out of the ordinary. It's just a typical Jordan box, nothing crazy. But enough about the box. I know y'all don't care about the box, but y'all care about what's inside the box. And in my opinion, man, this is definitely a beautiful shoe, man. Like, Jordan Brand really gave us a proper retro of this shoe, man. Like, from the stitching on down to the materials to like the nubuck. It's not, of course, it's not as buttery as like some nubuck shoes are, but it's still pretty smooth. You can still see some movement in it. But man, a beautiful shoe, a shoe that I'm glad to finally have a proper retro of, and finally have another pair of my collection to retire my 06 pair. But hey, I'm sticking around my 06 pair, man. That's still a beautiful shoe still too. But this pair right here, man, I don't know, maybe because I'm a lover of sneakers, man. Maybe that's why I love these shoes. Maybe that's why I'm a fan of this silhouette, man. A fan of this colorway in general. A lot of people, like I said, sleep on this shoe, sleep on this colorway. But me personally, I'm glad we got this shoe back. I'm glad we got a proper retro of it, man. Like, they did everything down to a T, man. You know, you got the iconic, man, jump man on the side of the shoe, the 23 on the back of it, man. Like, the Jordan 7, they got some dope details in my opinion. And I don't see why it's a slept on as it is. It's a nice looking shoe. Like, I like the shape of a Jordan 7. Like, it's a dope shoe, but once again, it's slept on. Why? Who knows, man? Who knows why the Jordan 7 gets so much hate? It's not, you know, of course, not gonna be up there with your Travis Scotts or your A Ma Manières or your Unions or other collabs you might have coming out, but this colorway is still a dope color. We can put so much together with this colorway, man. You could do so much with this shoe. And in my opinion, with fall being right around the corner, this is definitely a great shoe for the fall time, man. With the colors and everything, the orange and the red and how the black and everything, how they all blend together so well, man. Like, definitely a great fall shoe. And trust me, you can get these shoes right now for probably around retail. They might even be still sitting in some of your malls right now, depending on what city or state you live in. You might even be able to get this shoe in the mall still. So if I was you, if you really want this shoe, if this video changes your mind about how the shoe was or how the shoe looks or, you know, your opinion on the shoe, hey, I'm telling you, you won't regret it. In my opinion, I kind of had my doubts on the shoe, but when I got it in the hand, I'm like, okay, they really gave us a proper retro with the shoe. Like, they really did their thing with the details, the materials, the colors, how they did it. You know what I'm saying? Like, most of the time, a lot of these Jordans be having, you know, bad paint, you know, glue stains everywhere. But this one, none of that. Like, they did their thing with this one. Now, don't get me wrong though. Yeah, the 22 pair is hard, but man, the 06 pair, the materials on these, buttery. Like, this is like, you know what I'm saying, what you call like margarine, man. Like, this is margarine. It's good, you know what I'm saying, it get the job done, but 06, buttery, man. Like, buttery. Like, a beautiful shoe. Don't get me wrong, both of them still beautiful shoes, but I gotta go with 06 to the end of time, man. Like, even though mine, you know, got a little scuffs everywhere, you know, the paint cracking and all that, you know, nothing. But keep in mind though, it's a 16-year-old shoe, so what you expect? Like, for 16 years, you know, it's still in pretty good condition in my opinion. Like, I can still put these joints on and wear them out. Now, y'all hype beast, of course, gonna say, oh, trash, you know, not no good shoe, you know, where's the Travis Scott? Hey, this ain't about that. This is about a timeless OG, a timeless classic shoe. And I'm glad to have the 22 pair and the 06 pair in my collection, so I can get a proper comparison of like the materials, the shape, all that. Now, the shape is a little different, of course, but that's expected with a shoe that's, you know, 16 years old to a 2022 pair that just came out within the past few days. But hey, man, they still gave the shoe a proper retro. Like, in my opinion, they really did a good job with this retro. Like, of course, there are a few small minor differences on the shoe, but overall, they did their thing with this pair, and I'm happy. I'm satisfied with my retro pair. I'm satisfied with what Jordan Brand did with these, and once again, they slept on. Let them sleep. Let them stay asleep, man. Like, I'm a rock this 2022 pair to the fullest, man. I'm gonna give my 06 pair a little rest, you know, give a little rest and relaxation, because they deserve it. They deserve it to get some rest, man. You know, y'all did y'all thing, man. Y'all boys, y'all did y'all thing for me, and I appreciate y'all. But it's time for some rest. So 2022, we here, y'all are my collection. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna wear y'all to the fullest. But hey, that's what I'm gonna do with my pair. Y'all let me know down below if y'all copped y'all a pair, if y'all passed on them, you know, if y'all slept on them. But once again, if y'all still want them, they cheap, man. I'm telling you, they cheap. Don't pass it up. Because, you know, maybe one day people might wake up and then the price might, you never know, man. This might be one of the first Jordan 7, you know, or the Citrus 7 that might be a crazy price. You never know. But until then, man, find you, if you want these shoes, man, I'm telling you, don't pass up on them. It's a good shoe. Like I said, good fall shoe. It's a good year-round shoe, but definitely a good fall shoe, man. So, hey, get y'all a pair, man. And also, man, I can't leave without telling y'all, thank y'all for getting my channel to where it's at, man. Getting my subscribers up there. Finally passed the 150 mark, man. I really appreciate that. I'm a small channel, just starting out. You know, it's been about a month on my channel now. And, hey, y'all turning me up, so I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, just keep on liking, keep subscribing, keep smashing the like and subscribe button, man. Share my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, man, and get my views and my subscribers, you know, to pass the 1,000 mark, man. I know it can happen. If I can get to 150 this fast, I can get to 1,000 too. So once again, I appreciate y'all, man, and I'm gonna keep doing my thing, keep putting this content out for y'all, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video. Peace.